2004 Infiniti G35 Coupe. Front bumper has no scratches or scuffs. Minor scuff on the valance underneath. Front hood, a few minor stone chips. Very good overall condition. Driver's side front tire, the rim's in excellent shape, no scuffs. Tire tread about 80 to 85%. Driver's side body, no dents, no dings, no scuffs. Driver's side rear tire, about 85% tread left. Rims have no scuffs. Driver's side in excellent overall condition. Rear bumper, 2004 Infiniti G35 Coupe. No dents, no dings, no scuffs, no rips, no tears. Rear trunk lid, no dents, no dings, excellent shape. Passenger side rear tire, about 80-85% tread, 85% tread. The rim, excellent shape, no scuffs. Passenger side body, no dents, no dings, no scuffs. Passenger side front tire, the rim has no scuffs, and about 85% tread remaining. Excellent overall shape on the exterior. 2004 Infiniti G35 interior. Driver's seat, no rips, no tears, leather's in excellent shape. No dents, no rips or tears in the dash. Power windows, power locks. Floor mats have some minor stains. Bose Sound, AM/FM cassette, automatic, dual heated seats, cruise control. This car has only 34,868 miles. Dual climate control as well. Rear seats, leather in excellent condition. Floor mats look brand new. It also has a power moonroof. Passenger side seats, excellent shape. No rips, no tears, no signs of wear. Passenger side dash, no nicks, no tears, excellent overall condition. Mats look pretty much brand new, no stains on the carpeting. Engine running, no knocking, no banging, excellent running condition. Should be noted, minor stone chips, a few.